Hey everyone! Got a Revolut under 18 card and want to add it to Apple Pay? It's quick and easy. Here's how you do it. First, open the Revolut app on your iPhone and log into your account. Now tap on the Cards tab at the bottom. You should see your Revolut under card 18 listed there, along with other cards like your single-use virtual card. Tap on the Revolut under 18 card you want to add. This will bring up your card details. Don't worry, they're hidden for privacy. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a button that says Add to Apple Wallet. Just tap Add to Apple Wallet, follow the quick prompts, and that's it. Your Revolut under 18 card is now ready to use with Apple Pay, in store, online, or anywhere it's accepted. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.